Hello children, good morning. Myself Karundesh Singh Bhadoria. Children, in previous video I have explained some topic in physics, that is units and its measurement. But today I am taking another chapter number 3, motion in straight line. But children, before starting this chapter we should aware about some mathematical operations, that is mathematical tools. So children, in this video I am taking a new and beautiful topic, mathematical tools. In mathematical tools, integral calculus and differential calculus, these two topics I am taking here. Okay. So today first topic is differential calculus. Differential calculus. What is differential calculus? If we talk about its definition, so it is the ratio of del y and del x, where del y and del x, these are small changes in x and small changes in y, and denoted by dy by dx. To understand this topic, I am taking an example. Children, suppose y equals to fx is a real valued function, and function is fx equals to 2x plus 5. If we find the value of this function at the point x equals to 2, then f2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 5, that is 4 plus 5, this is 9. And if we take value x equals to 2.1, then f2.1 equals to, putting here 2.1, 2 into 2.1 plus 5, this is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 plus 5, this will be 9.2. So children, here x1 and x2, del x means small change in x, this is x2 minus x1, that is 2.1 minus 2, 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1, and del y 9.2 minus 9, 9.2 minus 9, this is 0.2. Means if we take a small change in x, we will get a small change in y. In that case, if del x tends to 0, means the change in x is very minimum. In that case, the ratio of del y and del x is called derivative of y with respect to x. So children, if we talk about definition, let y equals to fx is a real valued function, and we take small change in x, that is del x, we will get a small change in y, that is del y also. Then the ratio of del y and del x when del x tends to 0. The ratio of del y and del x when del x tends to 0 is called derivative of y, derivative of with respect to x, and denoted by dy by dx, that is dy by dx equals to limit del x tends to 0 del y upon del x. Children, this is derivative of y with respect to x denoted by dy by dx. Actually it is the ratio of del y and del x. ये ratio कब? when del x tends to 0. What is del y? Small change in y. What is del x? Small change in x. So the ratio of small change in y and small change in x with the condition del x tends to 0. This ratio is called derivative of y with respect to x. This is the definition of differential, and the process of finding derivative is called differentiation. So here I am taking some formula and how these formula use. Now important formula. Number 1, dy by dx x to the power n is equals to n x to the power n minus 1. This is the first formula. Number 2, dy by dx e to the power x, and this is equals to e to the power x. Number 3, dy by dx a to the power x, it is equals to a to the power x into log a base e. This is the third formula. Number 4, dy upon dx constant equals to 0. Number 5, dy by dx of log x base e, this is 1 by x. Number 6, dy by dx of sin x equals to cos x. Number 7, dy by dx cos x equals to minus sin x. Number 8, dy by dx tan x equals to sec square x. Number 9, dy by dx cot x equals to minus cosec square x. Number 10, dy by dx sin cos tan cot sec x. This is equals to sec x into tan x. Number 11, dy by dx cosec x equals to minus cosec x into cot x. All 6 ratio of trigonometry. Number 12, dy by dx u into v. Suppose two functions are in multiplication form. In that case, this is first function, this is second function. First function as it is, derivative of second function dv plus second function as it is, derivative of first function. So if two functions are in multiplication form, then their derivative will get by this formula, using this formula, dy by dx of uv, u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And number 13, suppose two functions are in division form, in quotient form. In that case, this is equals to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. So children, these are important formula in differential calculus. This is algebraic, this is exponential, constant, algebraic function, exponential function, constant function, logarithmic function, and these are trigonometric functions. So now I am taking some numerical problems related to this formula. Question number 1, find dy by dx of the followings. Suppose y equals to 3x to the power 5 plus 4 upon 5 x to the power 7 plus 9. Okay, this is the first question. Find the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. So solution, y equals to 3x5 plus 4 upon 5 x to the power 7 plus 9. Okay, so differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiating this equation with respect to x. Differentiation of y means d upon dx of this function y equals to d upon dx of this whole function 3x to the power 5 plus 4 upon 5 x 7 plus 9. Okay, this will be dy by dx. Now this dy by dx is distributed in all these three terms. So this is dy by dx into 3x5 plus dy by dx 4 upon 5 x7 plus dy by dx of 9. Okay, dy by dx is distributed in all three terms. Dy by dx into this, dy by dx into 3x5, dy by dx into 4 upon 5 x7, this is dy by dx into 4 upon 5 x7, and dy by dx into 9, dy by dx into 9. Now 3 is a constant, this 3 is a constant, so d upon dx of x5, this is algebraic function x5, x to the power n, first formula will be used, plus 4 upon 5 is constant, so this is 4 upon 5, and d upon dx of x to the power 7. Only variable terms is written here, and d upon dx of 9. Now using first formula d upon dx, this formula d upon dx x to the power n is written as power n into x to the power n minus 1. So here n is 5, means 3 into x to the power n, this will be n means 5 into x to the power n minus 1, that is x to the power 5 minus 1, n minus 1, okay, plus 4 upon 5 into here x to the power n and the value of n is 7, so it is 7 into x to the power 7 minus 1. Same formula, x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1, n is 7. So, it is 7 into x power 7 minus 1, and d upon dx of 9 is a constant, and you know number 4th differentiation of constant is 0. So, this will be 0. Now, solve this term. This is 3 5s are 15 x to the power 4, 7 4s are 28 upon 5 and x to the power 6. This is the answer. So, this was the first question. Y equals to 3x5 plus 4y5 x power 7 plus 9. First of all, differentiate both the side. Here dy by dx and this side also dy by dx. This dy by dx is distributed in all three terms. So, first term will be dy by dx into 3x5, this is first term, and second dy by dx into 4 5 x7, dy by dx into 4 5 x7, and last third one dy by dx into 9, dy by dx into 9. Okay. Here we can use the formula first, x to the power n, x to the power n, the value of n is 5. So, x to the power n, n x to the power n minus 1. So, we can write this 5x to the power 5 minus 1. Similarly, in this term dy by dx x7, 7x to the power n minus 1 means 7 minus 1, and this is 0 because derivative of constant is 0. So, on solving we will get the answer 15x4 plus 28 upon 5 x to the power 6. Okay. This is the first question. Now, I am taking some other question. Question number 2. Y equals to 4x to the power 6 plus sin x minus 1 upon x. Same cheese, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Children, just try this question. Y equals to 4x power 6 plus sin x minus 1 upon x. Find the value of dy by dx. Look here. Question is y equals to 4x to the power 6 plus sin x minus 1 by x. So, first of all, differentiate both the side with respect to x. So, differentiating with respect to x, this will be dy by dx and in RHS it is dy upon dx into 4x to the power 6 plus sin x minus 1 upon x. Okay. Now, this d upon dx will distribute in all these three terms. So, first term will be d upon dx into 4x to the power 6, है ना, and second term d upon dx into sin x, and third d upon dx 1 upon x. This is 4 into d upon dx x to the power 6 d upon dx sin x d upon dx 1 upon x. Okay. Now, we can use here first formula d upon dx of x to the power n. So, children, you know what is d upon dx of x to the power n? X to the power n means n x to the power n minus 1. So, first x to the power 6 is 6 into x to the power 6 minus 1 is 5. differentiation of sin x in trigonometric function, sin x cos x. So d upon dx of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of 1 upon x is log x. This is log x. 4 6 24 x5 plus cos x minus log x dy upon dx. Clear? This is the second question. Now question number third. Question number third, children. Third question. Find dy by dx if y equals to 3 under root x plus 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. Suppose this is question number third. Y equals to 3 root x plus 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. So children, can you solve this question? Just try. Y equals to 3 root x plus 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. Okay. Now see, y equals to 3 under root x 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. So first of all, differentiate with respect to x like this. So first of all, write here, differentiating with respect to x, both the side. In LHS it is dy by dx of y, and in RHS dy by dx 3 under root x plus 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. Okay. Now this dy by dx will distribute in all these 4 terms. Dy by dx equals to directly we write here 3 d upon dx of root x, and second term 4 into d upon dx cos x, and this third minus 9 by 2 d by dx x cube, and minus d upon dx of constant 6. Yes, 3 x to the power root x means x to the power 1 by 2. Under root means under root x is written as x to the power 1 by 2. So we can write this term like this, x to the power 1 by 2. Okay. This is 4 dy by dx and cos x, 9 by 2 dy by dx x cube minus dy by dx of 6. Can you tell me which formula you can use here? X to the power n, and x to the power n is n x to the power n minus 1. So using first formula, x to the power n, what is n? N is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is n. So 1 by 2 x to the power n minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. Look here, this is x to the power n. The value of n is half and x to the power n is written as n x to the power n minus 1. So, this will be n means 1 by 2, x to the power n minus 1 means x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 4 differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So, this is minus sin x minus 9 by 2 here dy by dx x की power 3, x to the power 3, again we are using the formula x to the power n. What is x to the power n? N x to the power n minus 1. So, this will be n means 3, x to the power n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 and minus dy by dx of 6. 6 is a constant and you know the derivative of constant is 0. So, this is 0, right. Now, here 3 1 ja 3, 3 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, it is minus 1 by 2 and 4 into minus 1 minus 4 sin x. This will be 9 3 ja 27 dividing by 2 and x to the power 3 minus 1 minus 2. Okay. This is equals to 3 by 2, x to the power minus half, x to the power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 upon root x. So, this is 1 by root x minus 4 sin x minus 27 by 2 and x to the power minus 2 is also written 1 upon x square. So, this is 1 by x square. This is the answer. Question was y equals to 3 root x 4 cos x minus 9 by 2 x cube minus 6. Its answer is 3 by 2 upon root x minus 4 sin x minus 20 by 7 x square. Okay. So, this was question